Hello. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good evening once again. And may I have your attention? Okay, we will resume our program. So at this point, may I invite again everyone to please rise. Tayo po ulit tayong lahat. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome once again our debutant with her second look. Let us give a round of applause to Miss Angelica Mangahas. Make some noise to Miss Angelica. What a great entrance by our debutant. Good evening, everyone. Please sit down. Thank you so much. Okay, so everyone, as I said a while ago, we still have 5 trivias about Miss Angelica. So I will ask some questions again, 5 questions, and then raise your hand if you know the answer, and we will give a prize. Okay? So here is my first question. Who is the first crush of Angelica? Go! Ayan, si Ma'am, wearing red tops. Shorts. Okay, what is your name, Ma'am? Mic, please. Okay.
Angelica.
Oh, Angelica din. Okay. So, who is her first crush?
James Reid.
James Reid. James Reid is correct. Palapakan natin si Miss Angelica. Congratulations. Baka Jaden pala si Ma'am. Si Miss Angelica. Okay. Next question. What is her favorite flavor of ice cream? Okay, please stand. What is her name? Favorite flavor of ice cream? Amy.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Okay, vanilla is correct. Wala pa ka naman natin si Miss Amy. Okay, dito naman tayo sa side. Alright. Ito. Sino dito ang nakakalam ng height ni Miss Angelica? Raise your hand! Aside from mommy, sino pa? Anong height niya? Anong height? Yung saktong height mismo. Pag hindi siya naka-heels, ha? Dito naman. Okay, si Mami, nakota. Okay, now, what is your name? $4.11 is correct. Anong name mo, ma'am?
Lani.
Lani. Thank you so much po. Tamang sagot, $4.11. Magkakit pa na kami. Medyo tapas naman kami konti ngayong gabi. Okay, next question. What is her favorite combination sa order niya sa Jollibee? Bago mo order siya, favorite combination? Mga